Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Tuminto Anya. I am from University of Repapolcop System Delta, Calamba Campus. And I will be your student nurse for today. Before we start to the actual assessment, ma'am, may I verify first your name?
Karishna Tilo,
Alright, thank you so much. Your age
19 years old,
and the date of birth.
May 30, 2004.
Alright, thank you so much, ma'am, for providing that information. So I'm going to explain to you the procedure that we are going to do. So I'll be assessing your skull, face, at saka yung neck po natin. So and for me to be able to assess those parts, I will be needing to touch the certain parts of your body, specifically the head and the neck. Is that alright with you, ma'am?
Okay po.
Alright. Rest assured, ma'am, that all of the information or document and findings that I will be noting is completely confidential between me and the attending physician. Is that alright, ma'am? Is there other questions pa po that you would like to ask to me?
Wala din.
Alright, thank you so much, ma'am. So, what are you most comfortable po when using a language po? Is it either English or Tagalog?
Both.
Ayan, so yan, before we start the actual assessment, ma'am, I'm going to have a quick history taking po. So ma'am, are there any lumps and lesions on the head or the neck po that do not heal or disappear?
Wala.
Okay, wala naman po. May mga lumps or masses po ba tayong nakikita sa ating head?
Wala.
Wala naman po. Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. I will be noting it. How about difficulty po or hirap na paggalaw po ng ating head at saka ano po natin ang face po? Like for this one, nahihirapan po ba tayo? May pain po ba tayong nararamdaman?
Wala.
Okay. How about sa facial po natin at saka sa neck po natin? Meron po ba tayong mga frequent headache na nararamdaman?
Wala.
How about masses or edema sa face po natin?
Wala.
Wala din naman po. Thank you so much, ma'am, no? Okay, so nawala na po ba tayo ng malay recently or mga previous times?
Hindi.
Hindi naman po. So, hindi naman po tayo nawala ng consciousness. Okay. So, sa past history naman po, ma'am, ask ko lang po kayo, ma'am, no? How about po naman yung, is there any previous head or neck problem po na na-experience po natin?
Wala.
Trauma or injury po?
Wala.
Ayan, thank you so much, ma'am. So, on the family history naman po, can you recall po or are there any person in your family po who have a problem or cancer when it comes to the head at saka neck po?
Wala.
Thank you so much. Ma'am, sa lifestyle naman po, nag-i-smoke po ba tayo?
Hindi.
How about nag-chew po tayo ng tobacco?
Hindi.
Po. Do we wear hat or helmet po?
Hindi.
Nakaka-experience po ba tayo ng mga migraines or headaches frequently?
Hindi.
So thank you so much, ma'am, no, for giving that all of the information. Now that I already informed you the procedure that we are going to do, and I'm going to close the curtain first for your privacy, so that I can provide privacy to you, ma'am, and I'm going to do the proper hand hygiene and gloving. Is that alright with you, ma'am?
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Assuming that I already closed the curtain to provide privacy for my patient and I'm already done doing the hand hygiene, I'm going to observe an infectious control, which is wearing gloves before contact with the patients. Ma'am, I'm going to palpate yung head po natin and I'm going to observe po yung skull po natin tsaka yung face po natin. Is that alright, ma'am? Okay, okay. And just one thing po, I'm going to request, ma'am, it's okay to remove your accessories and jewelries. Ayan, so thank you so much. Observe yung ating face. Alright, thank you so much po. So, pwede po tayo. Okay. Okay, so I already done inspecting your face. Okay. Now, I'm going to palpate na po yung ating skulls po, no? So, with a circular motion. Okay. So, as you can see, alright, so thank you so much. Noting po the findings po. As I observe ma'am po, no, sa ating head naman po is symmetrical naman po siya. Symmetrical naman po siya. It is round, it is erect po, which are good things po as well. And nasa midline naman po yung ating head po natin, and also normocephalic naman po tayo. Normocephalic po, which means normal naman po yung laki ng ating face po sa body po natin, which are a good indicator din. Normal naman po siya. I don't see any lesions, scars ma'am. Lesions, scars, masses that are present po in your head. Also, there are no parasites or such as yung mga lines po, mga ganyan, and I observe that there are no alopecias, which are good things po upon observing your skull po, or yung skull po natin, so which are good things po as well. So yan. So I'll be checking po yung ating face na po ma'am. So okay na po ba to observe yung face po natin? Okay ma'am. So, ma'am, okay lang po ba na itaas po natin yung eyebrow po natin? Ganito po. Ganito po. Ayan. Okay lang po ba, ma'am, na bayan niyo po ako? Mag-proud po tayo. Na, smile po tayo ng at. Ayan. Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. No? Gumanto po tayo. Pwede po pumikit tayo, ma'am? Ayan. Madiin po. Pikit pa po. Okay, dito. So as I can see ma'am, okay naman po yung mga reflex natin or yung ating cranial nerves number 7 po. So nagpa-function naman po siya ng well. So I will be noting lang po yung ating findings po. So hindi naman po ako nakakita ng abnormalities na ginawa po natin yung cranial nerve number 7 po natin upon testing it po. Hindi naman po siya nagkaroon ng drooping sa face natin, hindi naman po hindi pantay. Pantay din naman po yung pagpikit ng mata, tsaka pagtaas ng eyebrow, which are good thing po na very responsive po yung ating cranial nerve number 7 po. At the same time, nakita ko rin po na symmetric naman po yung face natin, kasi there are people po na hindi po pantay yung kanilang face, so which are good thing as well po. So I'll be noting it po to the findings. So next naman po ma'am, I'll be palpating your temporal artery. Yung temporal artery po natin. So, can you bite po, ma'am? Yes. Bite sa malian. Once again, ma'am. Ayan. I'll be checking your temporomandibular joint po, ma'am. So, can you open your mouth? As I have seen po, wala naman po akong nakitang any swelling or any masses po, no? So, maayos naman po natin na perform yung ating Tsaka yung temporal artery natin is very responsive naman po when it comes to natin. So, which are good thing as well po. So, wala naman po akong nakita anything that can alter the normal deviations po ng ating siguro po, one more tip na lang po is that to always be mindful or to wear sunscreen po, especially mainit po ngayong panahon. So when even we are inside or outside po, we should wear sunscreen po ma'am. So yung next part naman po ng assessment po natin is I will be assessing your neck po. So for me to be able to check yung ating neck po, I will be observing po yung neck po natin. And for me to be able to observe that, okay lang po ba na i-request ko po na medyo i-abduct po natin yung neck natin? So I'm going to check for the, to check and inspect for the muscle. Yung sternocleidomastoid po na. So pwede po ba tayong gumamit po? And the other side naman po. So, I will be just noting po some findings. Ma'am, can you swallow po yung water? Pagka-swallow po ng water natin is, okay lang po ba na can we hold it for a while? And when I said it, swallow it po. Sip lang po tayo ng alitaw. Okay, swallow po. Alright, so the trachea po are in the midline naman po, which are a good indicator as well na okay naman po. And na nag-swallow naman po kayo ng water, okay naman po yung pag-process niya po. Yung I didn't see any bulging po. No, dito wala naman po kung nakita ang swelling sa ating neck, which are a good indicator as well po. I'm checking po yung ating cervical vertebra on the back of posteriorly po. Okay lang po ba yan? So, checking the cervical vertebra. So, upon assessing naman po yung ating cervical vertebra, I don't see any tracheal veins po sa ating back po, which are good indicator po as well. So, yung next assessment naman po natin is, you're just going to follow me po. Okay lang po ba i-abduct? Tapos, ear to shoulder po. Yan, tapos kabila. Alright, thank you so much po, ma'am, no? So, for the next assessment po na gagawin po natin is palpating po yung ating thyroid gland po. At the same time, yung ating lymph nodes po. So, but first, I'm going to palpate first yung ating thyroid gland po. So, I can see deviations or abnormalities po within our thyroid gland po. Is that alright, ma'am? Okay, from the back po. Posteriorly po, no? Wala naman po ako nakitang any lumps. Disproportions po kasi within the meeting naman po. So, which are a very good indicator po. So, next naman po, I will be inspecting po yung ating lymph nodes po. So, starting with the preocular lymph nodes po, no? So, yung ating preocular lymph nodes and yung post-ocular lymph nodes po natin. Ayan po, sa back and sa front ng ears po natin. Hindi naman po nag-enlarge yung mga lymph nodes natin. Okay. So, to the neck. Okay. As I can see, ma'am, wala naman po akong nakita any deviations or lumps or enlargement ng lymph nodes natin, which are a good thing po, hindi naman po na-disturb yung process ng ating katawan po. So, next naman po, ma'am, okay lang po ba na we are going to against with my hands po? So, tingin po tayo dito. Okay, dito sa kabila. Alright, thank you so much, ma'am. No? So, as I can see, okay naman po yung response ng ating neck po, yung mga muscles po natin. So, okay naman po. So, next, now naman po, I will be proceeding na po to auscultate po ang thyroid gland po so that I will be able to hear some deviations po. So, I will be checking na po if there are any roots po sa thyroid gland. So, with the use of the bell, can you inhale po, ma'am? And I'm going to say when you are going to release it. Release. Alright? Inhale. Exhale. Alright? Thank you so much po, ma'am, no, for that information po, no. So, as I can see, ma'am, na okay naman po yung ating findings po, no. So, ang tips ko lang po sa inyo is to always take care of yourself po. So, wala naman po kayo nakikita any abnormalities po within our assessment. So, thank you so much, ma'am, for this.